This is Luna. Say hi, Luna. Hi. Are you the cutest goat ever? Sort of. Yeah. And this is Terrashield. And this is what I use on all my animals, including my goats and my dogs. Why? Well, because we don't like bugs, do we? No, we don't like bugs. Yuck. They're yucky, huh? Ew. Right. So, what I end up doing, I don't know if I can really do it, I have Terrashield and I spray it into my hands, and then I rub my hands all on my animals. So this way you don't spray anything in their eyes, because that's not good, right? We don't want oils in your eyes. Right, girlie? Yeah. You're a good girl. You are. Yeah. So, I know, we're so excited about the phone. We're so excited about Terrashield. Well, we don't want to eat it. See, goats love it. Put the phone down for a minute and spray it on my hands. Okay, see, it's on my hands. See? And now it's on my goat. I'll keep all the buggies away. Because we don't like buggies. Do we? No. And that's your simple tip. And I love that the Terrashield is on sale. This is very convenient because it comes in a little spray bottle. And you can also get it in a 15 ml bottle as well and make your own spray. Sometimes it's a little more cost effective for people. It's good stuff. This works out pretty good though. And no more bugs.